When you think of standards reference grading, what does that mean to you as a student?
Well, standard reference grading is like a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. A 4 means you're exceeding the expectations. A 3 means that you met the expectations, and that means that you understand it fully, you don't need any help. And then a 2 means like you understand it, but you still need help with it. So you don't fully understand it, you're not mastering it yet. And then the 1 means you don't understand it, you always have to have help with it. And which people do start at 1s, but it's not a bad thing because you can always get better. And a 2 isn't bad, and a 3 is really good, and a 4 is even better. So if you have a 3 or a 2, that's not bad, and if you have a 1, that just means that you need help, and that's also not a bad thing.
Okay. Standards reference grading, how has it helped you as a student to help you understand what you might need to know and get better on?
Well, I think I'm a pretty decent student, but when it comes to grades, it's kind of confusing to because you miss 4 out of 5 questions. Well, you miss say you miss 1 or 2 out of 5 questions, you get a D. But when you get a 2 or a 1, it actually helps you kind of understand, oh, I didn't do the best. You're like, oh, how does that work when you have an A or whatever? Just 1, 2, 3s, and 4s are a lot easier to understand when it comes to what you missed and what you need to do better.
Okay. When you break down the standards reference grading within a subject area, let's say like science, how does the breakdown help you understand what you do know and what you don't know?
Well, when it comes to science class, if you have a 1, that means you're not there yet, and you have to get at least to a 2, because a 2 is passing, a 1 is not, unfortunately. But when it comes to when Miss Meidel breaks it down, that's our science teacher, she breaks it down, and then when she says you have 4, you exceeded it, you're perfect, that means you put in the level 3 mastery check or something like that. And then you have a 3 means you did good, you did the level 3 mastery check, but you gotta master it. But then a 2 means you didn't turn that in, but you've turned other things in. And then a 1 means you haven't done any work. You've done work, you've turned it in, but you haven't done the best. So.
Anything else you want to add?
No, I think that's it. That's mostly the basics of the 4, 3, 2, 1 standard reference grading. It's pretty basic, but it works. It does help a lot. A lot of students, I feel, find it better than the regular grading, which is, in my opinion, kind of better anyway. So.
Awesome. Thanks, AJ.
Yep.